Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcash on Webtech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add new slide in Google Slide. So there is a few ways you can add the new slide, or you can add slide as per requirement. So I will show you first. So if you want to add slide, blank slide, so just click on this. Once again, I just zoom it to show you. Okay, just click on this plus icon, and this new slide will be added. If you click on this tiny arrow here, you will find the all layout that you can add. So if you want to add some blank slide, you can just click on blank, and blank slide be add. Okay, so you can also copy the slide. If you want to copy this slide, just click on the right, and you can copy this or make it duplicate slide. So one duplicate slide will be created. Okay, so if you want to copy a slide from another presentation to another Google slide, so just open the that presentation. Okay, I just open it and just insert something here to show you. Okay, I just insert one image, let it. Okay, insert it. So I want to copy this slide to in this Google slide presentation. So I need to just copy it and go to the slide, and just stick between the slide where you want to paste it, and just hit the Ctrl and V. You can also click on file or edit and go to the paste, and this new slide will be pasted here. And you can keep the original style or match this current presentation. I just keep original slide. Okay, so that is how guys you can also use this uh, option called. Okay, okay, that is how you can add the new slide. I hope you like this video. Subscribe me. Thank you for watching.